I am going to show you how to install a cable style ice scratcher onto a 2020 Timbersled Riot. So the first thing it says in instructions is to either find or drill a 3/8 inch hole. And on the Riot, right at the close to the front of the hyfax, there's this little hole here, and I actually measured that with a caliper, and that is exactly 3/8 of an inch. The only thing that maybe is a little problem is it has that little extension on the front of it, but as you can see on the other side, which I already installed, it works just fine. So you're probably going to need a set of ice scratchers, and I'm using these Kimpex ice scratchers. I believe they're the shorter ones. You'll need a 9/16 wrench, and you'll probably need a 9/16 socket and driver. I also have a torque wrench. The torque spec in the instructions is 32 foot-pounds, which isn't very much. And you might find useful a universal joint for your socket set and a long extension. And so the kit comes with the scratcher. This one has the carbide tip, and they're directional, so you have to make sure you put them on the right side. This is the left side, and then it comes with the lock nut and the nut and the Loctite. So I already put the other side in, so I'll just show you quickly how to put this side in. And just for the record, I think I said 2020 for the Riot, and I have it attached to a 2016 KTM 350 XCF. So the first thing to do is to take the included 3/16 bolt and put the red Loctite on it. So this is the strong stuff, I believe. So put this, the lock washer on, feed it through the back of that hole I was talking about. And then it doesn't really say, but I put the L pointing straight up in the air. So if I put it like this, and I'll just start that this way. And that's another thing. This is actually reverse threads on this side to keep them from falling out, so it's lefty tighty instead of righty tighty. There we go. That's finger tight, and I'll just make it so that it's straight up and down, and then I'll start tightening with my 9/16 wrench, and I'll try to keep it straight there. So the torque spec is 32 foot-pounds, but I can't actually get my socket around the nut because of the proximity of this part of the frame on the reverse side. But I measured and I did some calculations. It's a 7-inch wrench, and 32 foot-pounds is only about 4.5 pounds of force. So really it doesn't have to be on there too tight. And I'm sure the Loctite will do the rest of the work for me. So there it is. It comes down like that, and then it'll just fold up right into there like that. And I'm pretty sure that's not going to go anywhere. So down in the lowlands here, if there's any trails or anything, I'm going to use these to keep my hyfax lubricated. There's a little tiny bit of wear on them from last year, but hopefully that'll do the trick. And then this way they'll stay up and out of the way nice, and they kind of match the color of the frame, so I think they're going to be good for what I need them for. So there it is. It's clipped up out of the way. It's out of the way of the frame bumper here and here, so it shouldn't get touched in case I do any big jumps. And then I'll just show you a view from the back. They just stick out a little tiny bit, no matter at all. So yeah, I thought I'd make this video because I've seen lots of ice scratcher installation videos, but I have never seen one put on a Timbersled yet. And I hope this video is found to be useful for anyone riding out here in the lowlands. Thanks for watching.